Good days, people. My name is Felicia Novena, and I am from Class E, Hospitality Management. And in this major, Technology and Skills, I will explain to you guys what is Cronbach Alpha and how to count internal reliability. So my name is 01541 210 and I will explain to you guys how can we count internal reliability on Cronbach Alpha, or we can say how can we count easily on Excel. With Cronbach Alpha, we can measure the internal reliability atau konsistensi kita dalam menghitung. And I will show you guys the formula of Cronbach Alpha. As I said, with Cronbach Alpha, we can have the exact data of our Google form, and we can also represent the data that we have that we set in the Google form. So here we go. We can also say that with Cronbach Alpha, we can count the items and the average of internal cost that we want from our data. And let's work to the how to compute Cronbach Alpha using SPSS. And now I will show you guys. And this is our data related to our Google form questionnaire. We have in total 60 respondents that responses to our questionnaire in Google form. So this is the average, and ini adalah jumlah dari questionnaire kami punya jawaban. So here is the descriptive statistic to our questionnaire. And I will show you guys how to count internal reliability in Excel. So in total, we have 60 respondents that we have 67 as the highest point that is setuju in our data. And to count it, we type counter, and then we select for row number 1 until row number 17 in a block. And then we press enter. And then you can see how many data that we can get. One can see from this formula that if you increase the number of items, you increase Cronbach Alpha. Additionally, if the average inter-item correlation is low, alpha will be low. As the average inter-item correlation increases, Cronbach Alpha increases as well, holding the number of items constant. Let's work through an example of how compute Cronbach Alpha using SPSS, and how to do check dimensionality of the scale using vector analysis. For the example, we will use a dataset that will conduct by Google form for the test items to compute Cronbach Alpha for all items Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Use the reliability command. For demonstration purposes, here is how to calculate the result above by hand. In SPSS, you can obtain covariances by going to Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate, then shift Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4 to the Variables box and click Option. Under Statistic, check Cross-Product Deviation and Covariances, click Continue and OK to obtain output. And the conclusion about this data is in descriptive statistic. The alpha coefficient for the 4 items is 67, and for the minimum of this data, answer is 41. The highest point of our data is 67. In sum 806, and the confidence level is 95%. In total in 4.516774944. In mean 50.375. Jadi yang setuju paling banyak dari data yang kami taruh di kuesioner adalah 95%. In Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate, we have 65% of correspondent that is positive for our data. I want to say thank you for hearing my explanation, and for Sir Haranto, I will say thank you as a lecturer of technology and skills a subject, and I hope that you guys enjoy my explanation related to our final exam. Bye-bye!